Hi, it's Hazy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making this little notebook. It's saddle stitch. So I hope you'd like to have a go if you'd like to see what saddle stitch is. I'm not entirely convinced about the way I've been shown to secure it, so I've just done it in a slightly different way. Okay. So please give me a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, press the notification bell with your crafty fingers, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And I've got a Facebook group, okay, Hazy Crazy Heart Arts. Thank you. And let's go. Okay, I'm not going to have that so low. Right, so I'm going to make a little notebook for that thing I made. Getting all the papers ready. I'm going to show you how to do saddle stitch. Okay, saddle stitch is fun. It's nice and secure. Okay, so I'm going to cut this into shape. This is just the papers I'm using. I'm using the guide, that is the guide. So it's a folded piece of card, or cardstock if you're American. You always say card here, but for some reason it's cardstock. Doesn't look quite why it's stock, but it is. Right, okay. If anybody knows why it's stock, let me know. Because that is interesting, yeah. So if I do say card, it means cardstock. Okay, so now I need a bit of kettle packaging, don't I? There it is. Because I'm going to make some holes in this. Now, shall we clip it? I need the middle. Oh, how many pieces have I got? I've got 6 sides. Well, it's 4. 1. That is, it's 3, so it's 6. Okay, so now I'm going to clip it because we want to make sure we get into the middle, because that's what we're doing. We need to get into the middle. So saddle stitch, it's easy. It really is easy. It's as easy as a 3 pamphlet stitch. And also, if you do you've never done sewing before, I do recommend starting with it rather than something else, because then you'll get into it and you'll be able to do anything then, because other things are easier, aren't they? I was looking for my pokey tool. I could actually cheat and use this, but I'm not going to. It's so easy. I got this for fun really, but it's I love it. It's really good, and it's taught me how to do things like this. Right, I've got that one. That's the pokey tool that came with it, but we have got a proper pokey tool in here. We should have. Oh, got that. There it is. Okay. Oh, I could use the needle, couldn't I? Right, here's the here's the proper tool. Now I'm not sure how many. It was this way. I'm not sure how many holes you have to make, but we'll see. I'm going to start with one. Sure, I have an odd number. I think that's probably about right. I'm going to start in the middle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, 3. For some reason I was doing that. Why are we doing that? I don't know. Right, 1, 2, 3. 4. If I put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that leaves 9, doesn't it? Yeah, shall we have 9? There you go again. See, I'm not very good at doing it. For some reason it's deciding to go either side of the line. I'm not nervous or anything, it's just the way it's happening. Right, there we go. Probably thinking, oh, I'm going to get it right. Right, so that would make a saddle stitch. Now, if you want to make something like do a machine down there, that's an equivalent probably of doing the machine down there. Okay, so I might use my, oh no, shall I use a different one? That's the one I got with that kit, but I'll use a different one. I've got black. Let's use black. I'm not sure how much you use, so we have to work it out, won't we? I think it's quite a bit more than... Is it? No, I'm thinking about something else. I'm doing 6, but it probably don't need 6. Okay. This is because I'm just working it out as I'm going along. I'm using this, I'm using their little needle. Okay, so I'm using this little needle. It's probably a leather. Is it a... this was with this kit. Let's have a look, see if I can... If I can't get it in, I'm going to use a thicker one, because that one's... There we go, yay. Right, so now we're going to add our... Right, saddle stitch, so easy, so easy. It's basically what you probably think, oh, is that all it is? Right, so I'm starting here at the bottom, and I can see where to come straight up there, look, honest, look, there it is. Right, so we poke that through there, we poke that through there. Okay, so that I've got 9 holes here. Okay, you can have less, more, but it's just a bit of fun. I thought I'd do this for fun saddle stitch. Okay, I don't know why it's called saddle stitch. Perhaps it's from making saddle. I don't know. Yeah, well, it is sort of like a machine stitch, isn't it? Like a machine does. But I'm starting at one end, and I'm going to find out. I do not know how to tie it off. Well, securely anyway. Unless it would work, I don't know. Do you know? Let me know when I get there. If it is secure, because I don't trust it. The style I've known. Right, okay, I'll go through. Come on, where are you? There. So I can't be bothered to turn it round. I've got it clipped and I've got some holes I can see straight through. I suppose you could sew signatures in like this, but it would take a lot of, well, let's see, a lot of skill. But who says you can't learn to have that skill if you want to? You might be able to do that, and I think the signatures will be very secure. I'll turn it over as long as you've got some sort of fabric to, or book tape to secure it. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so this is it where we go to the end. Now this is probably why, actually what you can do is come through again. Oops. No reason why you can't come through again. Come on, dear. I use wax thread because it's less likely to be, you know, you go through. If you use embroidery thread, sometimes you can go through the threads and then you can't pull it either way. Right, this is how I can see it's. So you do it something like this, you're supposed to, but I'm going to do something else because I don't trust this. It's like this, through there, through that next one there, and things like that. It's things like that, but I don't know. I don't know if you agree that doesn't seem very secure, because what do you do with this one? And then you could take that one and attempt to secure that one as well in a similar way. If you can get it through the hole. Yeah, this is a thinner one than normally I would use. Right, okay, well that one's quite loose actually, isn't it, as well? Still, it will work. So we go. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go around this one like I did, so we're going to have a double bit there. Okay, and then under there, making sure that's not going to slip, and then where are we? Oh, we should have gone through, shouldn't we? What we like. Right. Let's try that again. I'm not convinced I've made a knot there, so I'm going to just try that again. And we go through the knot, oops, loop through the loop that I've just made with the. I'm not convinced that's going to be secure, so I'm going to still tie it if I can get hold of it. Okay. Yeah, you didn't need 6, did you? Let's see how many you needed. I'm going to measure that against. Let's have a look. So how many did we need? 1, 2. Well, probably 3 would have done it, but it would have left it. So I'd say 3.5 would have done that, and that would have left it. And there's your saddle stitch. So I'm not totally convinced on how to tie it. I'm going to there, and that's fine. We always end up with something like that, don't we? Whatever we're doing. It might have been perhaps better in the middle there. So I would start in the middle in that case. Okay, there we go. And that's my little book, but I'm going to add, because it's going in my little thing I made. Finished making earlier. Where is it? Where's all the bits? There they are. So I'm going to add one of these. Yay! And I'm going to add the other one. I need to go around the edge with some watercolour, don't I, as well? I'm just going to do that. Got to find the watercolours now. I've put them all away. Because I've put them away, I can't find them. Where are they? Where's my watercolour? Right, let's get some water. And this water's actually gone purple, but it's going to be fine. We're going to be able to do this. Because I don't like the clean look, I'm going to go around the edge with this. Okay, I'm just doing it round the front for now, because if you do it round the back, it's going to get everywhere, isn't it? So that will go on here. I've made this 4.5 by 3.5. It should fit in that thing. I'm getting a new one of these today, you know. Yep, I'm getting a new one today. Okay, so the butterfly's flying up there, and it's just taken the pollen from the flower. There we go. That's what we've done today. Yeah, that's what we do, don't we? They do take the pollen, don't they? Or do they just drink it? I think they must take pollen, then they have a look at another flower and take pollen to that flower, so it gets all... so then they will, continue their life. Yeah, that looks a bit bad, doesn't it? Oh, do you know what I want to do? Put some of those little squares or something. Let's put some squares on it. Yay. Right, I haven't put my pokey tool away either. Look. Right, where's my little, where's my scissors? Pokey tool, dear, pokey tool, come on. Where's my scissors? Right, so I'm going to put some little floaty things around there in this green book page. It's book page in inverted commas because it's my rubbish script, as I call it. Because I did the middle, this is doing the middle button. Yeah, because I don't get that many books to cut up. So, very good. Okay, it looks like black was actually a good choice because of that. Right then, there we go, there's your little book. And that is going to go in here. I thought that's a brilliant, because I said at the time it would look great in a little, with a little book in it, didn't I? So I'm going to put it in there. I've moved my journaling card over to in behind this one, so I've got 3 there now. Okay, I've already got a little notebook there, but oh, I think this looks so cute. I'll have to put it in there, won't they? And it matches perfectly. Okay. It better fit in. It better fit in. There we go. Yeah, that's absolutely brilliant. There we go. I'm not doing that right, am I? It's like this. Okay. So you can... So that's perfect in there. It's got 3 pages, right thickness and everything. So that's a nice little surprise, isn't it? Little addition to my there we go. As I said, if you didn't want to do all this, and the other one, as I said, or you want to stick it in somewhere, just put Velcro, what do you call them things? Velcro dots, I don't know, Velcro little circle things on there, and that'll keep that like that. And you just have to have a short one on the front. Okay then, there we go. Do hope you like my content today. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my video with your friends. Press the notification bell with your crafty fingers. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Okay. And I do hope you like this little rendition of a saddle stitch. Okay, and please join my Facebook group if you haven't already. Thank you so much. And goodbye. Thank you.